Okay guys, it's Bryce back here, another video. I know you guys can hear my mower running. Me and my papa will have to get a new solenoid because me and him bypassed the solenoid, and that's what it was. So we'll have to get a new solenoid. That's why it's not starting. So yeah, I'm gonna just ride it around today. Today's Friday. I'm gonna have it the video uploaded today. But yeah, if it shuts off, if it dies or anything, I'm screwed. Can't, yeah. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it, guys, and yeah. Girlfriend lost her phone, so I'm kind of screwed on talking to anyone tomorrow. So yeah, like I said, let's go ahead and jump into it and get this video done with. And yeah, let's get into it. Just a little bit more. Yep, solenoid's out. Yep. Deader than doorknob. Well, not dead, but not coming on. I'll probably ride my papaws tomorrow or something. Or not tomorrow, whenever I want to do it again. Yeah, hope you guys did like it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and yeah, I might video us replacing that. I don't know. Won't be until next Monday until I can get it or whatever. Well, this coming Monday. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I will see you guys in the next video, whenever the next video is. So yeah, peace out, guys. Let me know what you want me to do. Comment below. Peace out.